So here is how to pass your LayerEdge proof of humanity using your mobile phone for mobile phone users. All right. So to get started, you need to have these three apps. Number one, you need either Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser, depending on the one you have been using before now. All right. And number two, you need to download Transgate app on Play Store or App Store. You can see the logo here, Transgate. Okay, which is the ZK Pass application. Download it on Play Store or App Store. And number three, you need to download VPN. I'm using Tunnel Bell. You can download Tunnel Bell if you want to. All right, and set your location to either Kenya or United Kingdom, or you can use any location of your choice. All right. So let's get started, guys. Don't forget to follow for more updates. Like this video and share with your contact. Let's dive right into it. All right, so from here, you can see my Mrs. browser. You can see my VPN set to United Kingdom, and you can see my Transgate mobile app here. All right. So the next thing we'll do is this: open my Mrs. browser to go to the Proof of Humanity website. Right, this is it right here. You can see my current score is 80. All right, I have done Binance and Bybit. So let's do KuCoin for this very video right now. Okay, so here is KuCoin right here. On KuCoin, you need to have at least just pass your KYC. Okay, once you pass your KYC, you can use KuCoin to verify your account. Okay, you don't need to get to level 2. Just verify your KYC on KuCoin and you are good to go. So right now, click on verify now. Okay, this is the Transgate app right now. You can see it here, ZK Pass. So right now, click on OK. In case you are trying to load this page, but it's not loading, it means that you need to go and change your VPN location. Okay, maybe you are using Kenya, but Kenya is not working for you. But this KuCoin page is not loading for you. Go and change your location to another location again. After changing it, if it's still not loading, change the location again. Keep changing the location till you get the one that will work for you. All right. So right now, I have to log in my KuCoin account on this ZK Pass. So now I have logged in. All right. Once you log in, this verification will pop up automatically. So right now, click on verify with ZK Pass. Give it some time. Give it some time. Don't rush. All right. So you can see now, congratulations, you have successfully approved yourself. Now click on go back home. Now let's go back to Mrs. browser. Scroll down to the KuCoin again. Where is KuCoin? This is it right here. Then click on verify now again. Click on OK. Then go back now to your Proof of Humanity page and confirm this again. If it's not showing like this, if it's not verified, then refresh the page. It's very easy. You can see that it has verified already. You can see my score is now 120, right? It has verified. So let's go back and see. You can see it right here that it has been verified. It's very easy, guys. So it's very easy, guys. Hope it's not that difficult. Hope it's not difficult. It's very easy, all right? So to support me, if you appreciate this, just hit on the follow button for me. Like this video. Also share this video with your contact for others to be informed as well, so that they will not lose out on the airdrop, okay? It's Crypto Sam. So my next video as always. Bye for now.